For this project, you can use mini bottle brush trees that you already have, or you can create custom colors by dyeing your own. I shared the how-to in yesterday's video, so be sure to go back and check that out if you need a more in-depth explanation for how to dye your own trees. You'll also need a terrarium ornament and a hot glue gun. Start by adding a dab of hot glue on the ornament and then put your tree into place. Let cool so that your tree is secure, and then continue this process for the other trees. Because of the curved shape of the ornament, you may need to add the hot glue on the side for the other trees. You can always reinforce with an extra dab of hot glue underneath if the tree doesn't feel secure. To make the trees feel a little more like Christmas trees, I added fake snow. I used the hot glue gun since it was already out, and then pushed the fake snow into the hot glue with a brush. You could also use Mod Podge, it would just have a longer drying time. Now, you might notice that the hot glue is visible from the outside of the ornament, but don't worry, there is a way to hide it, and you're going to need some Mod Podge, some glitter, and a foam brush. In a small container, add your Mod Podge. You don't really need too much, as you can see here, and then add your glitter and give it a good stir. You really want the mixture to resemble a paste, that way when everything dries, the glitter has full coverage on the ornament. Once your ornament is dry, finish it off with a ribbon. If your ornament has a small eye to it, I found that using a needle helped weave the ribbon through. I tied my ribbon into a bow, trimmed the ends with scissors, and then added a hook for hanging. And that's how you make a bottle brush tree ornament. You can add this to your tree, to a garland. They'd be a very cute place card holder if you're having a holiday dinner party. I also love the idea of these as a gift topper. So regardless of how you use it, I hope that you try this project and let me know if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe for more easy DIYs.